So in this Alight Motion tutorial, I will be showing you how to export as a GIF here in Alight Motion. So if I were to play my video right here and you wanted to export this into a GIF file, go to the top right, select on the green button with the arrow. Once you're here where it says export and share, go ahead and select GIF. And if you want to read more about it, you can press the arrow right here, and then you can go ahead and change the resolution if you want, as well as the frame rate. So if you wanted to make this a full frame rate and maybe the fullest resolution, you can go ahead and do that. You can do reduce, whatever you have to do. And if this looks good to you, you can go to the bottom, press export by watching an ad, and then you can export it as a GIF file that way. So pretty simple, but that is how to export as a GIF in Alight Motion. Thanks again for watching, and hope this helps.